I think you have very good grammar and very good pronunciation. The place that I live in, Malaysia, is known as the world's kitchen for a reason. It's like
Oh,
you can get any food from anywhere in the entire world here, and it's good, like really, really good. It's impressive.
Alexa, it's so good for you.
I'm very excited about it. Yeah, I'm excited because I'm gonna go have
Yeah,
dinner after this class.
because, because, well, tell me that how far are you from this particular area?
How far am
How
I?
this particular area?
The particular area I'm in?
No, 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 no. I mean, as you told that there's a particular area which is
Mhm.
known as World Kitchen.
I'm in it.
So are you
I'm
in it?
Yeah, it's called Penang. It's an island.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
in the world's kitchen.
Penang, Penang, right? You just wrote
Yeah, Penang.
Penang. So it's the name of the area.
It's the name of the island that I'm on. So Penang, Malaysia is like it's a state of Malaysia. Yeah.
And is it how far is it's from the capital city?
Um Maybe like
Kuala
a
Lumpur is the capital.
3 or 4 hour drive, but it's only like an hour flight, something like that, 45-minute flight.
Obviously, by flight it's short.
Yeah. I mean, Malaysia is not a very big country, so it's quite quick to get places.
Okay, and did you visit Kuala Lumpur or not?
Yeah, I'm not a fan. I gotta say. I don't really like it's a newer big city, so it's kind of like it's designed for cars, not people. It takes a really long time to get everywhere, but Penang is like it's smaller, it takes about 45 minutes to drive across the entire island, but Kuala
Uh-huh.
Lumpur is
Okay.
designed for cars. And the food is not as good as Penang, that's for sure.
Okay. And what about the mosquito culture there?
We have mosquito problem. Yeah, dengue is a big problem here. I have not gotten dengue, so that's
Mhm.
good. They
How,
fog often to make
how
sure
to,
that like
okay.
yeah,
Go ahead, go ahead.
to make
Then
sure you
I,
don't die. If somebody gets dengue, they go and they fog the area to kill the mosquitoes, but it keeps coming back. So yeah.
because I'm feeling like mosquito is still disturbing you right now.
Right now? No, not right now.
Okay.
I do a pretty good job of not getting bit, but it happens. Don't hang
Okay,
out in
okay.
areas with water.
And anything that you adopt from the Malaysian culture? Anything?
Uh,
Or that you would
yeah,
like?
I think a lot, most things.
Ah,
When I'm
okay.
when I'm not working as an English teacher, I don't speak this way at all. Like I have a very weird Malaysian accent, and I say things in a weird Malaysian way, um, which I don't know how I picked that up, but I did. Um, the way of eating with a fork and a spoon, not with a knife. That's Malaysian. I can eat with my hands now. Um, what else? I mean,
Well, tell me, honestly tell me
mm,
that do you like eating with fork and spoon or just by hand? How do you feel satisfaction?
it depends, right? So Indian food is better eating with the hands for sure. It's like 10, 10 out of 10 for the hands. But like Chinese rice, eating with your hands, no. There's too much sauce, it needs the spoon. It depends on what I'm eating. Like honestly, I mean, I would eat noodles with chopsticks, not with. I would eat banana leaf rice with my hands. I would eat Chinese food with chopsticks or a fork and spoon, depending on what it is. But I
When
hardly
you
ever use a fork and knife.
Yeah, you're actually right that it also depends on which kind of food are you having.
Hmm,
Yes,
yeah,
that's true. And any Indian dish that you tried there?
everything. um, I don't know the name of the dishes that I'm getting because usually when I go eat Indian food, it's just like, here, this is what you're having today. And I'm like, okay, thank you. I'm going to eat that now. Um, or my husband will order, so I don't know what I'm ordering. But I really like achar, the pickle.
Oh, cool.
Uh, and then there's like a mint, um, it's like a mint sauce. I
Yes,
don't
yes,
know. You know what
you're,
I mean?
you're right. I
Um,
mean,
Mostly Southern Indian food is what we eat. So it's usually like a bunch of vegetables, and then we'll get maybe a fried fish or something with like chili and other spices, or like fried chicken. Um, we had turkey one time. That was really good. Fried like a turkey curry kind of thing.
mhm.
Uh, I also really like biryani.
Actually, South Indian. Sorry to interrupt you.
Mm.
Actually, South Indian continent is close to those countries. I mean, these island
Mm.
countries, right? And that's why you can see the influence, South Indian food influence there.
Yeah, definitely. So we like even there's like Keralan food. I really like that, but it's mild, not as spicy as Tamilian food. Tamilian food tends to be like better because it's spicier. That's my opinion. But Northern Indian food, uh, ghee hurts my stomach because I can't take milk. I'll have it sometimes, but it hurts. So I like it, but I don't take it often. Yeah.
Cool, cool, cool. You are actually enjoying there. I feel it.
Yeah. I mean, I met my husband here. He's Malaysian, so they've trapped me. I'm never leaving.
Okay, so your husband is from Malaysia?
Yeah, he's Chinese Malaysian. So
Is this the actual reason of being there? Is
it's
this the actual
part of it.
reason?
It's a big part of it, but I would never move
Okay.
100% for a man only, but it was a big deciding factor. I met him the first day I was in Penang. So,
Well, I would like to say that this reason was not the major reason in the beginning, but later it became the main reason for you to be there. Am I right?
maybe. Yeah. I mean, I could always move somewhere else in the world with him, but we don't want to
Mhm.
because honestly, I get anxiety when I have to leave Malaysia because I know the food will not be as good wherever I'm going. So I'm like, oh, what are we gonna eat? That sucks. Like it's not gonna be as good as where we are right now. So yeah,
Or
and
maybe you saw a dream that Malaysia is calling you.
no, no, I want to
Alexa, when
stay.
will you come?
Yeah, maybe. No, no, it's a
Okay,
choice. I want to be
cool.
here.
Great, great. I'm so happy to talk to you. Well, fortunately, yesterday I talked with a tutor from USA, and he, sorry, I mean
Mm,
she lived in India for 10 years, and
mm.
she was also explaining the food that she liked, especially from South India, just like you. That's why I'm able to remember. Well, Alexa, I can see that we have just few seconds, so I
Yeah,
will ask you that what do you think of my fluency? Please tell me.
I think you have very good grammar and very good pronunciation. You do
Thank
have
you
an
so much.
accent, but it's very mild, which is understandable. Sometimes people have a very thick accent you can't understand, but yours is just, it tells me where you're from, but it doesn't impede my understanding.
Thank you so much. Hope to talk to you soon, and take care of yourself.
You too. Have a good night.
Bye bye. Good night.
Bye.